guys, so we're back with another lookbook. This lookbook is more of a back to school, comfy college, all of that outfit lookbook. I hope you guys enjoy. For starters, the pants are from Forever 21. Then the tube top is from Pretty Little Things, and I believe I got the hat at Forever 21 as well. In this outfit, we're wearing the same, I am wearing the same sweatpants with a hood hole t-shirt. If you're interested in their t-shirts, I can link their shop and their Instagram down below. I also have a very cool hat that I got from Forever 21 as well. All of the shoes that I am using here today, which are two pairs of shoes, they're from Nike, and I talked about them before in the previous video. For this next outfit, I am wearing the same sweats from Forever 21. The top is also from Forever 21 with the same shoes. And if you are anything like me, all that you will wear in college are sweatpants and or leggings. So this is why I just figured to do two pair of sweats and show you guys various outfits. With this outfit, I have the same style of sweatpants in just a gray color from Forever 21. I also have a vintage snap hoodie, which I just cut and made it a crop top. So if you're interested in this brand as well, I can and I will be putting their info down below. This one's probably one of my favorite outfits of the lookbook. It is an oversized t-shirt from Hood Hope, a brand I spoke about just previously to you guys. I have the same hat as before and the same sweatpants from Forever 21. And it was really hot today, so I didn't film like with any coats or cardigans or anything like that. But keep in mind that if it snows in your region, you can always put an overlayer or a coat, like I said, over these outfits that match, like basic whites, nudes, or just black. This next outfit, I just paired a crop top from Forever 21 as well as the same sweatpants that are also from Forever 21 and the hat. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of this lookbook. As always, let me know if you guys enjoyed down in the comments.